the children together with their respective parents. Diretso po kayo sa unahan. Sa pagsasayaw ng mga katutubang sayawin. Sana po tayo dito sa front. And kanina po, tama po yung sinabi ni Kap na magpaparaliente sila. Kasi hindi po magiging successful ang isang programa without, lalo na po yung City Service, without po ng collaborative effort ng bawat isa, ng barangay council, of course, kasi ito po ay kanilang programa, technical assistance from CSWDO, of course, ang ating local government unit na nandiyan din po para sa ating po mga child development workers, and of course po ang ating po mga parents, sa lahat po ng mga other stakeholders like Department of Health and Department of Education. Yan po ay natutulong-tulong para ma-ensure natin na maging okay at ma-develop natin as bright children ang ating po mga pre-kindergarten children, lahat po ng mga bata. Ready na po ang magta-perform? Masigabong palakpakan po para po sa pre-kindergarten children from Barangay 2 Child Development Center. Ay, habang naghahanda sila, medyo dumadami po pa ulit yung mga parents na nandito sa gilid. Maki-asikaso na lang po, sister support. Pwede po tayo doon sa kabilang lecture po. Yung mga parents po na nakastay dyan, doon po tayo sa kabila. Yan po ay occupy ng ating pong mga pre-kindergarten children
Ang lula. Ate,
pagkakaroon.
na-replay. Hindi ka lang mo nag-reply. I-chat ko na lang.
Kay official photographer po, amin pong pinagiging lamang ang kanilang official photographer ng host cluster na ito. Sila po ay may mga ID. Sa ating pong mga ginagawang photographer na hindi naman po officially na kinuha ng ating host cluster this morning, pasensya na po, kailangan po nating igalang din ang kapwa nating photographer. Magantay din po tayo na makuha din sa susunod, baka po kayo naman ang maging official photographer ng iba po mga child development center. So sana po, nauunawaan kami ng ating po mga photographer. Same with the parents, hindi po tayo lalapit habang nagka-perform to take pictures at mag-standby, lalo-lalo na po sa gitna because you already have a professional photographer. Thank you so much, Madam Ito. Okay, ready na po sila? CDWs? A round of applause for them, please. Yes,
I close my eyes and I can see a world that's waiting for me. I'm on my own. Through the dark, through the door, through it all was before, but it feels like home. Like you said, I'll sometimes leave. They can say I've lost my mind, lost I don't care, so call me crazy. We can live in a world that we decide. 'Cause every night I cry, as colors fill my There's a house where you can live every moment someplace filled with peaceful walks. Special things I compile, each one there to make you smile on a rainy day. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say we lost our minds. I don't care if they call us crazy. On our way to a world that we
G. Maran, Brigadier Children of Victory Village North, girls. Let's have Calix, Ace, Dean Sabdal. Brigadier Children of Maria, Isabella, Martina, P. Amelia. Eric, Charlene, M. Lavetta. Blue Child Development Center, may I request on stage Kagawad Robuena Bufano and Kagawad Grace Bruno. Barangay 2 Child Development Center, starting with boys. To start with, let's have James Daniel A. Agnes. Zyron Gray A. Edwin Brown. Gabriel Brazo.